Well, we're going to check on our particulate matter, right? The air around us, what we're going to breathe. So we've put our particle collectors out, or at least we will, and then we'll collect them after about a week and see what we can catch. You never know what you're going to find. And now that we got it on the microscope, we can kind of zoom in and take a look at something fun. All right, so some low power. Switch that down into medium. Oh, look at that. Nice pollen grains there. And some other detritus matter. Now, let's see if we can zoom in on some of that pollen. Oh, yeah. Now, obviously, we're three-dimensional, so I can kind of look at the top of a piece of pollen and zoom on down into below. So, pretty cool, man. Something else down there, a little bit of green, so some chlorophyll of some sort, but nice. Quick look at the pollen. Let's go back up to medium and kind of scroll around a little bit. Lots of pollen in this sample. Other bits of matter as well. Oh, look at that. This right here, this is going to be a grain of sand, a little up there off to the left. Kind of a nice crystalline structure. Much larger, obviously, than our pollen. And some fibers around there. Oh, nice, good. Excellent look at some particulate matter. Looking at probably some more sand or rocks. Lots of pollen and some. Let's see what that larger piece was. That's, yeah, a big piece of sand there. And then a bit of a plant matter, green, and the tiny little pollen right there beside it. Pretty cool. Here's a possible likely candidate. Here's just another little bit of some particulate. Hard to tell exactly what we're looking at. Some fibers there. Here we've got actually a couple of bugs. This is just a mite, like a dust mite or even a skin mite. Remember, we are microscopic. We're at 400 times magnification. This guy is really tiny. And he's literally getting ready to crawl up under the piece of paper, where he punched a hole in it. But what really caught our attention initially was off over here to the right, this guy. Now this is a no-see-um, much larger than the dust mote, but we can see the wings and everything, and he's been just kind of caught or trapped on here. You can see one of his legs still moving. Remember, it's just tape, right? He has gotten caught on it and stuck down. But pretty amazing what you can see. We can see some of the little kind of hairs there actually on the wings. Sorry, those kind of green stripes. It's just because unfortunately I'm having to videotape off of another monitor, so we're seeing some of that come through. And also just various particulate matter around him, just dust, little tiny bits of sand, etc. Not 100% sure, but that almost looks like it may have been another little mote behind it. But wow, you never know what you're going to find. Pretty cool. Wow, We're out here breathing that stuff every day, right? We just saw some sand, little particles, pollen, little bits of everything, right? Some spores from our moss. It's all out here. Right? You breathe it in. Who knew? Well, you never know what you're going to find, right? But a little bit that we found out here, just out and about. So, guys, get outside. Breathe the fresh air, right? Hopefully you're not inhaling too many bugs, but you never know, right? Get outside, be active, be creative, and as always, be awesome. I'm out of here. Have a good one.